Today, I'm going to explain what happens in the video about borrowing a book from a library. The video shows how a student properly borrows a book from the school library, step by step using the tools and features that help make the process fast, organized, and accurate. Next, the student goes to the shelves to find a book. The books are arranged according to the subject or call numbers. You can see labels on the shelves and spine stickers on the books that make it easier to locate the right one. The student looks through the titles and finally selects a book to borrow. This step shows the libraries encourage students to explore and choose material that match their interest. After selecting a book, the student walks to the circulation desk where the librarian is sitting. The librarian greets the students politely and asks for the library card or ID. This shows interaction shows the proper communication between a librarian and a borrower, being polite, respectful, and patient. When the librarian scans the book and the student's ID, the computer automatically records who borrowed the books and when it's due. These steps make the process faster and avoids manual writing or mistakes. It also proves that technology plays a big role in modern libraries. In button, on the other hand, is used by returning students who already have an account. You simply type their username or email and password, and Django check if their credentials are correct. If they are, the system logs them in and takes them to their dashboard, where they can see their borrowed books, due dates, and even renewal options. If the login is incorrect, Django shows an error message so that users can try again. These login and sign up features keep the system secure, ensuring that only registered students can borrow books or access the records. Once the student is logged in, the process moves to the physical borrowing part inside the library. The student walks to the shelves and searches for a book. The books are arranged neatly by subject or call number, and you can see labels and stickers on the shelves and book spines to make searching easier. The student browses through the titles and finally picks a book they want to borrow. This part shows that library and organizers place that encourage students to explore and find reading materials that match their interest. The librarian prints a receipt or stamps the due date inside the book. They also remind the student about the return date and sometimes explains library rules. For example, how many books can be borrowed, how to renew, and what happens if a book is lost or read. This part shows the librarian role not just as staff member but as a guide who helps students become responsible, borrow when the transaction is done. The student thanks the librarian and walks away. Near the door, you may notice security gates. These are connected to the book's RFID tags or magnetic strip. If a book is taken without being properly checked out, the alarm will sound. Since the librarian already deactivated the tag, the student lives smoothly. This shows how libraries protect their resources and prevent loss. If the video also shows a return scene, the student comes back after a few days and returns the book to the librarian or drops it in a book return box. The librarian scans the barcode again and the system updates the record from borrowed to available. This keeps all data organized and ready for the next user. Beyond just the process, the video teaches important lessons. It reminds students to be respectful, patient, and responsible when borrowing materials. It also shows how librarians play a vital role in helping students and the right resources while keeping everything in order. A book from a librarian gives us a complete picture of how library transactions work, from entering the library, selecting a book, and checking it out using barcode scanners and computers, to finally living through the security gate and returning it later. It features two main people, the student who borrows the book and the librarian who manages the process. Together, they demonstrate organization, technology, and respect in action. The tools we see, such as the barcode, scanner, library system, receipt printer, and security gate. Help make the process efficient and reliable. But beyond these tools, the videos remind us about the values that every library promotes: discipline, respect, honest, and responsibility. Through this short but meaningful process, the video teaches that borrowing a book is more than just a transaction. It's a reflection of our appreciation for knowledge and our role in keeping the library system alive and functional for everyone. Thank you.